Hallo, guten Tag und willkommen zu Lektion 11. This lesson is all about adjectives and adverbs. And again, as with many other grammatical things, here we have some differences compared to the use of adjectives and adverbs in English. So, the basic thing I want you to know is that adverbs and adjectives have the same form generally. So, if you look it up in the dictionary, let's take the word fast or quick. You would find schnell. Schnell. That's the basic form of the adjective. So, if we then want to form the adverb in English, you would actually have to modify it, and quick becomes quickly. This does not happen in German, so that already is some good news. Okay, but what does happen in German is that the adjective, when it is a proper adjective, which means it accompanies a noun, it describes a noun, in this case the adjective changes in accordance to the noun, in accordance to the gender and also to the case. Example: Das Haus, the house. Let's add an adjective. Big, the big house. Das große Haus. So you see, you don't have the basic form that you have found in the dictionary, which would be groß without the E. In this case, there's a noun that follows, so das große Haus. Okay, this happens because we have the definite article before. If we now take the indefinite article, a big house, ein großes Haus. So again, the adjective changes a bit. It always has to adapt to gender and plural, singular, or even to the form of article that is used before. With the definite article der, die, das, it is a bit easier because you always just add an I. So, der Große, die Große, das Große. With the indefinite article, this is a bit different because we have ein großer, eine große, ein großes. So there's a bit of stuff to just learn by heart. Okay. Another example. Let's take the adjective nice or lovely. Today is a lovely day. Heute ist ein schöner Tag. Heute ist ein schöner Tag. Der Tag, masculine, that's why we have schöner. So whenever there is a masculine, you add the ER. If we change this sentence into the day is lovely. The day is lovely. Der Tag ist schön. Der Tag ist schön. And we are back to the basic form that you find in the dictionary. Why is that? In this case, the adjective strictly performs more like an adverb because it doesn't describe the day directly, grammatically, but it describes the verb to be. So, that makes it also a bit easier when you have any sentence with a sentence to be, sein. Es ist schön, it is nice. Es ist schön. Sie ist groß, she is tall. You would never have to modify the adjective in any way. Okay, so that's all to say about adjectives. Again, it's something to learn by heart and something that comes naturally after a while. You can actually look up a whole sheet, a whole table of adjective forms because they are very changeable, but don't worry about that. If you see the basic form in a dictionary, just go with that. And yeah, if you use it as an adverb, you don't even have to consider any changes at all. Okay, so thank you for listening and I see you in the next lesson. Tschüss!